Hey guys, Thomas Talon here at MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina. Today I want to walk you through one of my favorite boats of all time, the 17-foot Boston whaler Montauk. Beautiful boat, guys. It's got the teal hull-side color. It's got the black graphics, the upgraded black rub rail with stainless insert. Notice how these black graphics, black rub rail, and black engine cowling, along with the black canvas, kind of pop and tie this boat all together. Phenomenal, stands out. Beautiful boat. Guys, this boat is powered with the Mercury 115. On the back here, you've got a nice little swim platform with telescoping ladder for boarding. Let's take a look at the inside. All right, guys, welcome aboard the Boston Whaler 17 Montauk. Taking a look at the bow, guys. First thing you'll notice is we did not do the full bow rail on this because we did the fishing package. So up front here, you've got a trolling motor plug as well as a 12-volt direct current plug. Nice full cushion package on this boat. You've got a huge cooler up front, 70-quart cooler with cushion. Rod holders here. Nice handle for holding on. Let's take a look at the helm, guys. Back here, you'll see we've got the JL audio stereo, 4 speakers. You've got your mechanical gauge, all your switches, cup holders, insert for your nav light. Right up on the front side here, guys, you have a USB and another 12-volt direct current plug. Ritchie compass. The helm is left open for any depth finder you'd like to add. Traditional Boston Whaler flip seat with live well. And guys, notice the live well is painted blue, which helps keep your bait alive. Nice jump seats in the back. Again, guys, a fishing package, so these backrests lift out, and you've got extra rod holders back here as well. Wonderful boat, guys. For more information, please give us a call or stop by our Greenville, South Carolina location. Thank you.